Here's a compact study guide for Azure Time Series Insights, TSI. Azure Time Series Insights, TSI, Study Guide. Overview. Azure Time Series Insights, TSI, is a fully managed IoT analytics and visualization service designed to store, analyze, and query large volumes of timestamp data from IoT devices and sensors. It provides near real-time insights, advanced visualization, and contextual analysis to help organizations monitor and optimize IoT solutions. Key features: Time Series Database, optimized for storing and querying chronological data. Data ingestion, supports Azure IoT Hub and Event Hubs for scalable, real-time data ingestion. Exploration tools, provides interactive dashboards and advanced querying for detecting anomalies and trends. Contextual model, adds semantics and hierarchies, assets, devices, telemetry to raw data. Storage tiers, warm store, real-time queries, and cold store, long-term analytics. Scalability, handles billions of events per day with low latency. Security and compliance, built on Azure, supporting RBAC, VNA integration, and encryption. Core components. 1. Environment. The top-level container holding event sources, storage, and models. 2. Event source. Connectors like IoT Hub/Event Hub to ingest streaming telemetry. 3. Model. Defines hierarchies, types, and variables for contextualizing data. 4. Warm store and cold store. Enable short-term interactive analysis and long-term historical storage. 5. Explorer, web-based UI for visualizing, filtering, and analyzing data trends. 6. APIs and SDKs, REST APIs and Power BI integration for embedding analytics. Use cases: IoT monitoring, real-time tracking of equipment, fleets, and sensors. Predictive maintenance, detect anomalies to prevent failures. Energy and utilities, analyze consumption, performance, and outages. Smart cities and factories, optimize processes using telemetry insights. Historical analysis, compare current versus past performance trends.